Oh, stop, Sherry. I stopped already. Oh, shit, Sherry. Shit, we are stupid. We are stupid. We are so stupid, Sherry. Hello, everyone. So we finally made it. After 3 months with my parents in Germany, we are heading to France to visit Melanie's family before finally heading to the Southern Hemisphere. We crossed Germany from east to west, and thanks to our eyes for a good camp, we found a great spot to set up our first camp on this trip and use our equipment in the field. If you're interested in our setup, there will be another video in the future where we show you step by step how we prepared for fresh water and clean water without having to spend a lot of money. So this is our first night camping on this trip, and we was thinking to make something special today from this area, which is Spätzle. It's just egg pasta. In this case, it's also egg pasta with spinach. We're gonna just fry it along with some onions, maybe some mushrooms, or we can have something from here, from this area. Let's go.
Let's try. How we do for the dishes?
We can try our new water system as well.
We have to start it. No, everything's off. Then I hope it's not leaking.
It's been quite some time that we have installed this water system, and I still have to have a look to confirm which one of those valves I have to turn on or off in order to get the water from the tank to the tap. But today is the day. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Good. So you can press the main switch for the water system. Okay, now the main switch is pressed. Turn on the tap. Oh, stop, Sherry.
I stopped already.
Oh, shit, Sherry. Shit, we are stupid. We are stupid.
What?
We are so stupid, Sherry.
Why?
Behind this board is the UVC unit. And last time we ran the water system to test everything, I disconnected the hose because it was getting cold, below freezing. And I really want to make sure that all the water is out of this UVC unit. Unfortunately, we did not check if all the hoses were again attached to the UVC unit. So we had a little splash coming. And the water ran here along and here a little bit. It was not too much, but enough to make the wood a little bit wet, as you can see here in this part. And we still had a little bit cat litter here for another reason, but we wanted to give it away, and I can say I'm very happy that we still have it here, because I think tomorrow we can just brush it out and vacuum clean it, and it's a bit more dry then. Okay, so our first camping evening had a little mishap, but a good meal and a beautiful spot made up for it. Feels great to be finally on the road. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.